How to buy USDT with Cash App. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can buy USDT with Cash App. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do is open your browser, and in the search bar, kindly enter Paxpool and just click the first link that come up. Or you can simply click the link on the description below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this page. And from here, it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know Paxpool, it is a cryptocurrency trading platform that facilitates peer-to-peer buying and selling of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, in which the platform serves as a marketplace where users, referred to as a buyer, and sellers can interact directly to exchange cryptocurrencies for various payment methods, including bank transfer, gift cards, digital wallets, and many more. And to register in this platform, just click the register button on the top right corner. And after signing up, the next thing that you need to do is to log in. And to do that, just click the login button on the top right corner. And upon logging in, you will be directed on this dashboard. And this is the Paxpool dashboard. And from here, on the left side panel, it will show you a variety of options that you can navigate, including trade history, in which it will show you your account level and also your account limit, which is, as you can see here, amounting to $1,000. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you your past trades or your history transaction. And aside from that, on the left side panel, you could also see here the recent trade partners that you could also navigate. By clicking on it, it will show you the partners that you have trade with. While under the My Offer option on the left side panel, from here you could offer to sell or to buy a crypto. And aside from that, you could also navigate the trade statistics, in which it will show you the balance of your Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, and many more. You could also see here the monthly successful trades and the monthly total. While under the trader program badges, it will show you some of the benefits that you could also experience if you submit some of the requirements, including ID verification, address verification, 90 days old account, and good behavior score in order to get Power Trader. And after that, it will show you other benefits that you could experience with this kind of badges. And you could also invite a friend by clicking this option, and from here, just copy your referral link and you can send this directly to your friends for them to join to this paxpool.com. And you can even earn money through affiliate, in which each invite that you get will be equivalent to USDT depending on the amount of your invites. And aside from that, on the left side panel, you could also navigate the account settings, and below that, you could also customize your profile, security, payment methods, and navigate some other options. And aside from that, on the top panel, you could also navigate other options, including buy, sell, create an offer, wallet, in which you can see your balance, lightning, transaction, addresses, and even the option to convert cryptocurrency. We also have here the dashboard, which also shows the same option below. And now that we know the background info and some of the options of this platform, we can now start buying a USDT using Cash App. And to do that, just click the buy button on the top panel, and upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, it will show you the other options on the left side panel. And by clicking on the Bitcoin right here, it will enable you to choose other kind of cryptocurrency. So I'm just going to select Tether or USDT. And below that, the next thing that you need to do is to choose your payment methods, including bank transfers, online wallet, debit or credit cards, PayPal, cash payments, and many more. And on the search bar, kindly enter Cash App and just select the results below. And after selecting a payment methods of Cash App, the next thing that you need to do is to enter the amount that you want to buy. But firstly, you need to select a currency that you prefer. So I'm just going to select USD. And below that, you could also change the offer location, but the offer owner location is still your default location. And below that, you could also select offer tags such as friends and family, invoices are accepted, no receipts needed, photo ID required, and many more. And now, just proceed by clicking Find Offers button below. And upon clicking on it, it will show you on the right side panel the results based on your preferences, such as a payment method of Cash App, in which from here, it will show you the average, trade speed, the number of likes it contains, the minimum amount that you can purchase, and the maximum amount that you can purchase. And you could also see here the price per USDT, which is amounting to 1.11 USD. And to start buying a USDT on the seller, just proceed by clicking the View button below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this page, in which from here, all you need to do is to enter the amount that you want to pay, and on the right side, it will show you the amount of USDT that you will receive. Or alternatively, you could enter the amount of USDT that you want to receive, and it will show you on the left side the amount of US dollar that you need to pay for it. However, in order to do this transaction, make sure that you also verify your ID, your email address, and even your phone number. And if not, just click the Start Verification button in here. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, you could also see other details about this buyer, including the positive feedback, the number of negative feedback, in which you could also use or consider before deciding to make this transaction. And below that, you could also see here the offer terms that you must follow, including to type your cash tag and name and upload your current account balance screenshot. And if you send the payment, you also need to send a web receipt link, since if you don't have a proof of payment, this buyer will not release the USDT. So proof of payment is really required. And aside from that, below here, you could also see the other feedback from the customer that also buy USDT on this seller. However, that is just one way to buy a USDT using Cash App on this platform. Since if you go back on this page, from here, you could also create an offer by clicking this button right here. And from here, just select the cryptocurrency of USDT or Tether and just select Buy Tether. While below the payment method, kindly search on the search bar Cash App and just select on the search result. And after that, you could also select your preferred currency. So on the search bar, I'm gonna enter USD. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to click Next Step button, in which you could choose the Tether rate you want to use. We have here market price or fixed price. And after that, also fill up the minimum amount and the maximum amount of offer trade limits before clicking the button Next Step. And now for the last step is to enter your offer tags, offer terms, trade instructions, verification, and many more. And after that, just proceed by clicking Create Offer button. However, to create an offer, make sure that your ID is verified. And after that, it will show you the result of the possible seller that you can make a transaction with. So that is just how you can buy USDT with Cash App. Thank you.